Hello everyone, my name is Kanika and I will talk about triple talaq here. What is triple talaq? They're guessing the word talaq 3 times, but now I'll give a good definition to it. Talaq is an Islamic word for divorce, denoting dissolution of marriage when a Muslim man can sever all marital ties with his wife. Under Muslim law, triple talaq means liberty from the relationship of marriage. Eventually or immediately, where the man by simply uttering the word talaq 3 times ends his marriage. This instant divorce is called triple talaq, also known as talaq-e-iddat. The Muslim Personal Application Act 1937 had legalized and allowance the practice of triple talaq, which gave a Muslim husband special privileges to wife. Now, what is the triple talaq law about? It is known as the Muslim Women Protection of Rights Marriage Bill under 2009. It was passed by in the Parliament as of July 30, 2019 to make an instant reply to criminal offence. The Rajya Sabha passed the bill with the 99 votes in its favour and 84 against it. The triple talaq makes the instant triple make criminal offence and provides a jail term of 3 years for a Muslim man who commits its crime. The also makes the triple talaq the cognizable and non-violable offence, introduced in the Lok Sabha by Minister of Law and Justice of Ravi Shankar Prasad on June 21. As the bill was pending for consideration in the Rajya Sabha, the practice of triple talaq divorce system was continued in there. Was an urgent need to make immediate action to prevent such a practice of giving strict provisions in law. Triple talaq is void and illegal. Yes, of course, if the man is saying triple talaq 3 times, obviously this is void and illegal. Now, according to clause 3 in the bill, any pronouncement of talaq by a person upon his wife by words, either spoken or written or electronic form in any other manner, whosoever should be void and legal. Yes, it is. Now, coming to some further talkings about the triple talaq bill, it is a procession of Sharia law. We all have the Sharia law. If not, it is the family law divided into some different laws in Muslim. So it comes under Sharia law, where husband can divorce the wife by pronouncing 3 times. It is one talaq. It is oral talaq. The divorce is type of divorce in the Islamic law, namely the 3 divorce, which are Hasan talaq-e-iddat, known as triple talaq. Under this law, wives cannot divorce husband by means of triple talaq. This right does not have to women; they only have to men. The women have to occur co-divorcing husband under Muslim law. The woman in the Women Protection Rights on Marriage Act, it was yet that after passing both the houses of the Parliament, President has given assent to the triple talaq passed by the Parliament, turning into a law, which makes the practice of instant divorce among Muslims a punishable offence. The Act will represent promulgated 21st of the same effect. This was just been given by the people and the law. Now, there is a case of Shahbanu. What was held in that? It was held that in this case that was a 35-year-old woman challenged the practice after getting divorced under the triple talaq custom in 2017. The Supreme Court, in a landmark of 3-2 verdict, had struck down instant triple talaq. 3 of the 5 judges on the Constitution bench had called the practice un-Islamic and arbitrary and disagreed with the view that triple talaq was an integral part of religious practice. The ruling of Supreme Court is truly watershed. Women empowerment movement in India. Obviously, why don't we think about women? It is a Women Protection Act. We should think about them. The court has given progressive thoughts earnest in the constitutional proceedings over personal law in society. But what were the facts about the case? The facts were, under Muslim personal law, maintenance was to be paid only till the death period. There were facts in section 125 CRPC applied to all citizens provide maintenance for the wife. In fact, that it was also given that Muslim woman can pay maintenance, and because she has left everything, she has divorced her husband, she has left everything, so she has to take care of the children and the family also. So she has a right to take the custody. There were many cases more, Daniel Lafi case, Sallah Mudkir case. So, but why this had happened? So what was in the bill? It was about that the man says, first thing, man says 3 times, maybe SMS, online, WhatsApp, everything, and pronouncement, and this result is instant irrevocable. Then the constable office gives the police officer power to arrest the offender without requiring a warrant. He cannot correct. Then, to check the misuse of cognizable nature of the offence, the Triple Talaq Bill makes a declaration of talaqable only if the complaint is by the aggrieved woman on annihilation by blood of marriage. Do you know what? The only woman has right if she gave complaint or has a blood relation or some more people, she only can get the talaq and the person can be maybe jailed for 3 years or maybe fined and more divorced. Talaq is entitled to demand maintained for her and dependent children. I mentioned this above, but by whom? By magistrate. Under the Triple Talaq Bill, divorced woman is trying to seek custody of minor children. Same by whom? By magistrate. The Triple Talaq also provides the scope of reconciliation undergoing process of nikah halala if the two sides have agreed to stop legal proceedings and settle the dispute. Why? Because nikah halala refers to the practice under which divorced woman has to marry another man and consummate the marriage and get a divorce. Only then she is able to remarry her former husband. This was in the Talaq Bill. And also, last thing, a woman pronouncing instant Triple Talaq tries to, if a Muslim man pronouncing instant Triple Talaq tries a term of 3 years, jail term of 3 years under the Triple Talaq Bill, then accused under the bill entitled to bail only by magistrate. All things were done by magistrate. The bail can be granted if the magistrate have heard the woman. If the woman say that yes, this was the man and the application was filed by her only, that this man gave the online message or something else that stated the talaq has been done, then only he will get a bail, otherwise not. And so there were some arguments which were in favor of this Triple Talaq, favoring banning of Triple Talaq. What was that? 92% of women in India wanted Triple Talaq to be banned. Why? Who don't know why? It does give right to equality and women empowerment. It perpetuates the dominance of men and women. It gave men the right to arbitrarily divorce their wife without any valid reason. New age technology had given birth to new models of Triple Talaq. As we know, online things. Triple has been abolished in 21 Islamic theoretical countries, including Pakistan, Bangladesh, and international. There is no reason for democratic and secular India to continue the Azerbaijani's practice. It goes against the constitution principles of gender equality, secularism, and right to life and dignity. It goes against the Article 40, which is right to equality, which is the main article. Article 51, Clause 1, which states that there shall be no discrimination against any citizen on the basis of their gender, race, etc. The kind of talaq is based against the interest of women. The constitution of a country says that it shall be strive to bring a uniform code for the entire country. Doing this will be an illegal step. The National Commission of Women says that the matter cannot be linked to a uniform code. Why? Because nevertheless, it should be banned in order to protect the interest of Muslim women. Supreme Court also said that the practice is unconstitutional, not protected by Article 25, which regards the freedom of religion. But the experts also said that it is the only essential interior features and aspect of religion to protect the Constitution. The Triple Talaq was not an integral feature of Islam. Then there was something against arguments against the banning of Triple Talaq. What was that? I'll tell you about it. It well established that criminalizing something does not have any deterrent effect on practice. The harsh punishment defines the doctrine of proportionality. Here, 3 times imprisonment, 3 years imprisonment, and sometimes fine also. 3 years in prison on a convicted husband will end up penalizing the already aggrieved wife and children. In the recent Supreme Court judgment, it was said that never that a simple talaq is to be criminal penalized. Then, Triple Talaq is sin, but valid and effective from divorce. Obtaining a divorce from court deters remarriage prospect of men and women. And last, but not the least, Triple Talaq provides a equality to wife. Now, I thank you. This was the end.